Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to put the peso sign, that's the symbol, into your Google Sheets. Sometimes it's not as straightforward as you'd think, and if you need to format prices or track expenses in Philippine pesos, you definitely want that official currency symbol in your spreadsheet. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add the peso sign wherever you need it in Google Sheets, hassle-free. Let's jump right in. Now, Google Sheets itself doesn't actually have a built-in shortcut for the peso sign like it does for the dollar or euro symbols. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround and it just takes a few steps. First, let's open up Google Docs. You might be thinking, wait, we're working with Google Sheets, why open Docs? Well, Docs has a useful tool for inserting special characters like currency symbols that isn't available directly in Sheets. So head over to your browser, open Google Docs, and create a new blank document. Don't worry, we're not writing an essay, we just need Docs for a second to get the symbol. Once your doc is open, go to the menu at the top and click on Insert. This is where all the extra stuff lives, and we're looking for special characters. You might see it a bit down the drop-down list. Go ahead and click that. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can search for all sorts of interesting symbols. In that special characters window, you'll see either a search bar or a drawing box, depends a little on your setup. In the search bar, type peso. As soon as you type it, Google will filter all the possible currency symbols and show you the peso sign that's front and center. If you're ever unsure it's the right one, just look for a symbol that looks like a capital P with two horizontal lines across it. Now you just need to click on that peso symbol. Once you do, it'll appear right there in your document, wherever your cursor was. This is your golden ticket. The next step, simply highlight the peso sign you just inserted, right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This just copies the symbol to your clipboard, making it ready to move over to Sheets. Alright, next, let's get back to your Google Sheets. You can either open a new spreadsheet or jump into the one where you want to use the peso sign. Find the cell where you want to add it, click inside it, and then right-click and choose Paste, or simply use Ctrl+V or Command+V to drop in your freshly copied symbol. And just like that, you've got the peso sign exactly where you need it. That's all there is to it. It might feel a bit roundabout having to jump through Google Docs, but once you do it a couple of times, it's super quick. From here, you can copy and paste that peso sign into any other cell, or even save it somewhere handy in your sheet so you don't have to repeat the process next time. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any trouble, just drop a comment below. I do my best to reply to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and thanks for watching.